Hi guys, so today we're starting the video a little different. We have today with us the GLC AMG edition, and we're going to be doing a quick detail on this car. We're not doing a full ceramic coating on it. This is just coming for detailing and a good restoration. So we're going to show you step by step. If you don't want to coat your car and your car's a little old, but you want to make it look fresh, we can detail the entire car and make it look brand new all over again. So that's what we're going to be doing with the GLC AMG today. So step by step, we're going to show you what all we're going to be doing. The first thing that we're doing is removing all the hard water marks from the entire car. Like you can see, a lot of hard water has got deposited near the headlights, near the alloy wheels. So we're going to be clearing that off first. A good decontamination wash takes about 2 hours to finish. Post that is when we'll start the entire paint correction work on this car, and you'll be able to see the difference. So let's move on to the first stage, which is the decontamination wash.